Hey there, how's it going? If you happen to be looking for a house in the central Phoenix area and you want to stay under the $900,000 mark, I may have the house for you. And what's even better, you can see it this weekend. It's a great house. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 1,900 square feet. It's single level and sits on a huge lot. But the best part, this house is completely remodeled, from the wonderful tile floors to the quartz countertops in the kitchen. 2-car garage, RV gate, plus an extra garage you can use as storage or park a car in. The backyard is huge, absolutely wonderful. Plenty of space to put in a pool, use as a putting green, or a great place for the kids. Now, when can you see it? How about this weekend? I will be holding it open this Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4 o'clock, so you have 2 chances to see it. It would be great to see you. Once again, open house this Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4. It would be great to see you. If you have a place that you want to sell, or if you're looking to buy or invest here in the greater Phoenix area, it would be great to hear from you. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Looking forward to hearing from you.